Is the Google Play Store refusing to open on your Android device? Let's get it back to life with these easy fixes. First, we'll tackle the most common culprit, clearing the cache and data for the Play Store itself. Head over to your device's settings. You can usually find this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. Once in settings, look for apps or applications. The wording might vary slightly depending on your Android version. Tap on it, and then you'll want to find Google Play Store within the list of installed apps. Tap on that, and you'll see an option for storage here. You'll find two buttons, clear cache and clear data. It's best to tap clear cache first. Give it a moment, then try opening the Play Store again. If clearing the cache didn't do the trick, it's time to clear the data. Tap clear data. This will reset the Play Store to its default settings, so you might need to sign in again after clearing the data. Try opening the Play Store one more time. Next, let's ensure your Google Play services are in good shape as they power the Play Store. Go back to your apps list in settings and find Google Play services. Tap on it, then go to storage. Just like with the Play Store, tap clear cache if available. You may also see an option to manage space. Tap this, and then you might see a clear all data option. Use this if clearing the cache alone doesn't work. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve glitches. Power off your Android device completely for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on after it boots up. Try opening the Google Play Store. An incorrect date and time can also cause issues with app syncing. Navigate to settings, then find System or General Management. Look for date and time. Make sure automatic date and time and automatic time zone are both enabled. If they are, try toggling them off and then back on. If none of these steps have worked, there might be a broader network issue. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa, and attempt to open the Play Store. You can also try resetting your network settings in your phone's settings menu. With these steps, you should be back to enjoying all the apps your heart desires.